Okay. What's this? Your free Stadia Premiere Edition with your recent Stadia Pro subscription. Thank you for your recent Stadia Pro subscription. You scored a Stadia Premiere Edition complete with Stadia Controller and Chromecast Ultra. I just put that code in at checkout. Oh, sweet. Cheers, Google. Unboxed hype. But what's this about, though? Disrespectful. Konnichiwa, Introgens. Yes, finally, I've been validated as a content creator by Google. Or maybe it's just because I had YouTube Premium and sometimes I have Google Stadia Pro. But we've got the freebie here, £70 worth of Google Stadia gear with the Google Stadia Premiere Edition 2021 unboxing. Right before you, even though someone's kicked it in. If you have any comments about this or any other ideas you'd like to see, any other unboxings and so forth are already available on the channel, you should check it out. There's plenty of other videos. We discuss gaming culture, streaming stuff as well, gameplay stuff, gameplay commentary, technology, a lot. So do subscribe if you haven't already. We've got lots of great stuff. We'd love to have you. And leave any comments on this video and other videos and other things you'd like to see or any improvements you'd like to see. Let's do it. All right, guys. So they've already done a rip, so we'll probably rip from there. So we'll just have a wrap around quickly. This time I'm going to try it not to take as long. With my last unboxing, it took forever. So there should be a Stadia Controller and a Chromecast Ultra in here. Try and nail this in like 5 minutes or something. Plug and play. Here you go. One place for all the ways we play. Now you may have noticed recently as well that Ubisoft has added the option to play their games via Google Stadia through the same subscription if you do it as a Founders Edition thing. Yeah, let's go. We already damaged it, so we're not going to try and be precious about it. Speedrun strats. Plastic out of the way. How do we open her up? We've got consent. I think it's one of those lift ones. There doesn't seem to be any tape. Like that. Lift her up. Like so. There we go. That's the inside of the box. There, a little indent of the controller. For that slide. There's the controller itself. We've recently done a PlayStation 5 controller review as well for the PC, so if you want to check that out, maybe I'll remember to put a link somewhere. Look on the channel. It shouldn't be not long ago from now. Feels lighter than the PlayStation 5 controller and the Xbox One. Otherwise, feels good. Feels fine. Okay, buttons feel a little bit soft. Feels a little bit soft. A little bit. Can you hear that? It's a little bit. I don't know. Sounds a little bit loose, but feels fine though. Yeah, it feels fine though. It feels fine. It does feel a little bit, I want to say, cheaper than the PlayStation 5 controller. But yeah, I have to see how it performs, and that'll probably be a separate video. Looks like a USB-C connector, much like the PlayStation 5. That might. Like it's dirty already. It's not me. I'm not taking responsibility for that. That's how that looks. I'm smashing it already. There you go, a little Google symbol on the back. 3 minutes are we going already? 2 minutes. Let's go. Alright. Next up. Let's see what's underneath. Lifting it up. Yeah, that. And we have, looks like a actual connecting charger cable thingy. Another USB-C cable, because obviously you can use these for other things as well. That's nice. Ended up thinking I needed one for the PlayStation 5 and ended up having the Oculus one. Now I got this one as well. So we can use it for other things. My camera's failing the focus with USB-C. I have a plug here. That's not disconnecting very easily for some reason. Yeah. How do I get this out? I don't want to just rip stuff open, but maybe if we pull this up. Stadia. Says there. Is it Stadia or Stadia? I wonder. This might have some personal stuff in here. I don't know. I'm gonna check first. Look at the plug. What I do. Oh, it looks like it's safe. Okay, so let's get started. Quick look at that. Seems simple enough. Looks like it's just plug and play, connect, and you're good to go. I might do that in a separate video, maybe. Just do the unboxing. See what's going on. And keep it pretty to the point and quick. What's this, like safety regulations and warranty and stuff like that? And that's that. That's the envelope. How do we get this plug out? We still don't know how to get the plug out. Right there. There's that. And then maybe that. There we go. Nailed it. Imagine you do a push up on this. Yep. And then you can plug it your charging plug. Oh, wrong way around. The USB part into here. Like so. Hopefully the lighting and everything's as good as it can be, because it's the best I've got. No Linus Tech business going on here. Sharp phone. And yeah, that connects like that. So you can use it either way. It's the cable part. And then it should be the Chromecast, I imagine. Which is... oh, so we have a chunky unit. Oh, have a lift up plug. Imagine this connects to a power for the Chromecast. And then what's it using? Like a phone connector, it looks like. Looks like a phone connector thingy. And then we lift that up. This is the Chromecast device, I presume. Yeah. That's magnetic, that is. That's pretty cool. Magnetized. Looks a bit like the Fire TV stick, I guess, in its own way. Don't know which one came first. And oh, so you put your internet in there. That's interesting. It's got Wi-Fi as well. Oh, I suppose, yeah, it's got Wi-Fi, but you can also use that, which is good, because you can get a cleaner connection with your Stadia or what have you. You're going to do it through this route here. So let me see. This connects into... what does this connect to? There. Let's go into here somewhere. Ah, here we go. It goes into there. Like so. And I imagine this is HDMI, so this goes into your HDMI slot on your TV or device. This plugs into the power, obviously, which then your Chromecast is ready to go. And then your controller goes into this. I think this works wirelessly as well. And then that's an interesting way to charge controller, actually. Plug. But you can disconnect it, I suppose, so you can use it to charge by the traditional means of USB. So you got the option. That's cool, actually. You got the option of that, a plug to make it quicker, and then you connect this up, and you have Ethernet if you want to use that instead of wireless. So that is the box. That is the unboxing. Under 10 minutes. Alright guys, so let me know if you want any more coverage of the Google Stadia hardware. Maybe if you want to see a setup video or something else, I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think. If you had this already, what do you think of the actual Premiere Edition? Is it good hardware? Do you like the controller? Is this your go-to controller? Does it work for other situations other than Google Stadia stuff? Does it work for, like, say, Steam or what have you? Is this a good controller? It looks nice enough, simple enough. I mean, it does kind of not have the same of, say, the PS5 or what have you, or the Xbox, but it looks pretty good and pretty solid, you know? It definitely is very Stadia branded. So there you go. Click one of the videos on the screen and sayonara gozaimasu.